Paithago Kuduma Joraro Mui, Jolly Tongmani Kok, Paithago, Shamung Anka, Indian Olympic Association ni Clearance Mankha Tripura Olympic Association, Bad Angai Tanka Agini Tungmung Motha Tripura State Olympic Association, Kuduma Chalro Muno Clearance Mananotoyi Kok Panglai Tongmani, Paithago Clearance Mankha, IOA Eba Indian Olympic Association Tripurani Bagai Khoroktam Ozamani Ado Committee Sanamka Ado Committee Chairman Unka Mr. John F. Karsing no Fashalo Chairman John F. Karsing Shohid Bogur Singni Yova Abaso Kaini Mothani Naikulai Rok Norinka Chukle Mungo Haste Tungtang Bedini Naikulai Rokbo Fayi Manjak Paiga Pia Ba Chukle Mungo Tripura State Olympic Association Naikulai Rok Kebo Fayi Manjak Pailia Tikhakshe Fashinge Tripura Olympic Association Jotona Chukle Mungo Fayi Manjak Paimani Nuksaka Achukle Mungo Shimung na Harzaka Pai Tonglai Shaljibani Bishingo Mothani Jongmari Shankazaknai.
The Tripura Olympic Association has approved and unanimously endorsed House approved. अभी election होगा Tripura Olympic Association का bylaw का अनुसार पे हो.
So today one of the agenda was to clarify whether it is Tripura State Olympic or Tripura Olympic. Who is here? So everybody raised their hand. We asked, our member asked, is the Tripura State Olympic representative anybody here? President, Secretary, जो भी है, nobody.
None inquired.
No absent, no representative. So it appears today unanimously Tripura Olympic Association. So we call for the constitution. They have given their bylaw. So RO will follow their Tripura Olympic Association bylaw as per the resolution of today. Right? So we will be approaching the RO to request for his consent. As per the bylaw, extraordinary meeting can be conducted to conduct the election within 15 days. But it's subject to honorable. Because he will be an honorable retired judge, so it will depend on the head to give the consent, and then the timeline will be given within the 15 days.
Bureau Report, Kokharang.